So the reason why I got this super mega extra big massive blanket is number one, because how big it is. You can see this one. The one that I got is the the one that I got is the 100. I think it's 100 by 120, but they also have 120 by 120 and even bigger than that. But this one, let me show you something. This one right here, it is super soft. You're gonna see this right here. It's extra soft. I mean, I was kind of like surprised to see how soft this one is, because the pictures, I have to say, that doesn't make any justice to how soft it is. So I needed something to that this big, actually super. Actually, this is even folded yet, but I needed something this big too. Again, number one, super soft and super big. I also needed something to protect my love seat over here because it's made of leather, and I have cats, and sometimes, yeah, they can get, yeah, with leather and furniture and everything. And then I also needed something for when my wife is here watching TV, just get cozy and get in a really nice and cozy feel when watching movies or something like that. But this one, just let me show you. This one is massive. It is so big that you can actually put it right here. You can take it to the bed, you can take it to the sofa, you can take it to your bedroom or whatever, and still will have plenty of fabric just to cover everything, to cover you, to cover your furniture, to cover your own body, your wife, yourself, everything. This one, it is massive, super big. So to me, this one, to protect my furniture, it's really good, but also how soft and how cozy this one is. So I'm gonna actually get it super nice and cozy over here, putting myself with all the softness in this really nice mega super big blanket. I love it. Super cozy, super fluffy, really soft, and of course 100 by 120. This thing is massive, and then I can just like protect my furniture, and that's it. Like it, I give it a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I'm Batman.